Hello class, this is chapter 10 assignment question number 5. In this question, we are going to do a hypothesis testing. Okay? So after reading the question, we know it's about the population mean because we have the mean, we have the standard deviation, it's about the mean. Okay? So let's use StatCrunch to do this hypothesis testing. So let's open the data table in the StatCrunch. Okay? So we got the column of data. Let's use the stat because it's mean. It's talking about mean. Let's use the t stats. One sample with data because we are using the raw data here. And if you want to use with summary, then you are going to use those mean and standard deviation here. But for this question, let's use data because we already opened the data table here. So let's select the column. Okay. And in the hypothesis testing, we have to set up our null and alternative. So in the null hypothesis, we assume that the population mean is equal to. So let's go back to the question. The analyst wants to know if the mean is at least 22%. So in the null, we say, okay, it is 22%. Sorry, it's $22. And in the alternative, we say at least 22%. It means greater than 22. Not 22%, it's $22. Okay, so that's all we need. So let's click compute. So then we get the p-value. And of course, because we in the alternative hypothesis, we said it's greater than $22. So it's going to be the one-sided. If it's not equal to, so that's two-sided. Okay? So that's one-sided. And test statistic, what is test statistic? In this case, it's a t-statistic. So that's a number we need to put in there. And the p-value, we just copy the p-value in there. And then the last one, we are going to compare our p-value with the alpha level or significance level. And apparently, our p-value is greater than alpha level. So if the p-value is greater than alpha level or significance level, we fail to reject the null hypothesis because we don't have enough evidence to reject the null hypothesis. We don't have enough evidence to say this is wrong. So that's why we fail to reject it. Okay? So that's the question number 5.